Mr. Speaker, I rise to support the approval of the changes on the standing committees. I want to take note of and I want to commend the majority side leadership on the wisdom and the fairness and the delicate balance that they apply and they continue to apply in allocating and assigning these committees. And I want to tell the committee that I have left behind to fight hard, because that was something that I was very passionate about, the welfare of our people, especially the domestic workers in Saudi Arabia, to go hard on this matter. I would love to see a solution on this matter. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. I want to